Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can contact Fairstone by mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.fairstone.ca, which will lead you to this page. Now, all you need to do is simply tap on the Contact Us option and you will be redirected to this page. So here you can find that you can contact them by leaving a message through Facebook chat, or you can even call them, or you can even have a branch located and locate their branch, or you have your online chat partner to talk with them, but you get no option to send them a mail or contact them for any queries through mail. So it is clear that you can use any other ways to contact Fairstone except the mail. Hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.